You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this Latin phrase, a Latin legal phrase meaning let justice, so that's the first two words here, be done through the heavens fall. Alright. In Latin pronunciation, fiat justitia, fiat justitia, ruat caelum, fiat justitia, ruat caelum. In English, it's generally pronounced as fiat justitia, ruat caelum or caelum. Fiat Justitia, Ruat Caelum. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.